Oh, yeah. That's a good one, actually.
Gosh, I thought you said this would be an easy question.
My biggest pet peeve. Um,
Biggest pet peeve is probably when my roommate will leave the light on in the bathroom at night, and so it's really bright in the room and it's just annoying.
Outside of school, when people cut their pizza.
People walk up to me, they look up at me and they say, "Whoa, you're really tall."
Using idioms incorrectly.
With forks and a knife. It's the biggest pet peeve in my life.
That I am. But if I walked up to a short person and said, "Dude, you are so short," I'd probably get slapped.
So a common idiom that people say is blood is thicker than water. However, the full phrase is the blood of the covenant is thicker than the water of the womb, which means exactly what people think it does.
I don't like it. I'm trying to think. What is a pet peeve that I have?
Biggest pet peeve is when someone says live your best life.
when people cancel plans.
What was one? What is one?
I was going to room with one of my friends this year, and she ended up renewing her lease. And so I was stuck to room with somebody I didn't want to room with.
Ooh, straight up lie to me. Don't lie to me. That's the biggest pet peeve, because at the end of the day, when I find out, that's going to be very bad.
When people chew really loudly.
Loud chewers, for sure.
People clicking their tongues like this.
And so this is something that happens to me a lot. I always pick it out. So it's the chewing really loudly in public.
I can't focus.
Because a lot of dudes love to do it like all the time.
Do they do it on purpose?
Yes, exactly.
Yep. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yes, now you would notice. Yep.
People talking too much. I hate it.
When I'm in class and somebody asks for anything that's like basically would be cheating.
When people scratch their nails on the chalkboard, it drives me nuts.
Like especially like when a teacher is teaching and then people are like steady talking and I can't hear.
When you're in class and people do it, it drives me nuts. It gives me
There's no chalkboards on campus.
It depends on the time, but I actually just had a bunch of my friends drop their plans with me and sell some tickets that they convinced me to buy.
In class, just people not doing the work that they're supposed to be, specifically in like group work situations.
I kind of don't.
When people drag their feet when they're walking around campus.
Kind of pets my peeve when people say that postmodern thinking is logical. It's not logical.